Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can blur moving object on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to blur this girl's face. First of all, guys, we have to duplicate this clip. We can right click on our mouse or touchpad and click on copy. Then we're going to paste it. Okay, and after that we're going to put the blur effect to our video. You can go to the effect and select the lens category, and here you can choose the blur effect, and we can drag the effect to this second video or second clip. All right, and now the blur effect has been added to this clip, and we're going to adjust the blur effect. You can make it super blur by going right like this, or you can make it less blur by going left, and I'm going to make it super blur. And then we're going to put mask to this clip. Click on the clip and we can click on the mask option, select the circle mask, and we can adjust the mask. I'm going to make it smaller like this, and we can place this mask to the object we want to blur like this. And if you want to make this mask follow the moving object, you can use the keyframe button, this one. Click on this keyframe button and we can place this parameter like this and drag the mask. You can adjust one by one like this until the rest of your video. Wait guys, I'm going to make it smaller again. Okay, drag this spreader, move the mask. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result, and this is just for an example, so I know that it's not perfect. Alright, and I think it's done, and I'm going to play the video to show you the result. Oops, wait guys. Alright, and this is the result. As you can see that the mask can follow the moving object. Alright guys, and that's how we can blur moving object in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.